Namaskaram, everyone. I would like to first welcome you all to Aramsay's Sing and Plays Carnatics Soundcheck meeting today. So today on the call, like I sent out in the email last night, will be all the contestants that will be moving on into the finals round. And from the hosting side, it'll be myself and Pavan. We both are Aramsay volunteers, and that's about it, right? So today's goal is to kind of walk you through what to expect on the day of the contest, what you would need to do, how everything will look. I think a lot of you might already be familiar with this, but I would just go over the details anyway, just in case, so that there's no confusion or chaos on Saturday or Sunday when you actually join in. So first of all, thank you so much for registering for Sing and Plays Carnatic and showing your support to Aramsay. And this really means a lot to us. This fundraiser is very important for Aramsay's projects as well. So thank you so much. And I just hope that while all the kids are doing this, they are like competing for a good cause. So I just want you all to always keep that in your mind, right? That is the main idea behind doing this. Okay, so with that, so Pavan is also there, and currently this meeting is happening in the webinar format. And the reason we set it up as a webinar is because this will also serve as a dry run for you, because your final contest day, also everything will be happening as a webinar, and exactly like how you have joined in today. So I can see all the attendees right now, right? But you are not panelists yet. So yeah, but that means you cannot unmute or appear right away, right? Unless we, like one of the hosts, promotes you to a panelist. So let me just sort of sequentially walk you through the process. So let me quickly share my screen and we can get started. Okay, so let's go into presentation mode. So welcome again to Aramsay's Sing and Plays Carnatic. Okay, so today's agenda will be a quick run through of the Zoom platform. I'm sure most of the kids are probably more familiar than I am, but I'll try to keep it as short as I can. And then what do you expect on the day of your performance? And then in case of any technical issues, what should you be doing? And for any Q&A that you have, currently you can just type your questions in the chat and we will answer them. Maybe I will not be able to answer them when I'm actually walking you through these slides, but Pavan should be able to answer. But otherwise, we can hold some of the questions towards the end of the segment as well. So, and after that, once these sort of rules are done, right? Not rules, it's like the process. Once that is done, we'll also try and do a quick sound check for as many participants as it allows. So we are open till 7 today, essentially. Like I'll be doing the run through again at the 6 o'clock slot as well. So in case there are more participants now and you still want to do your sound check, then you can hang around for a little bit more time. But in case you're not able to hang around, then just use your Zoom platform and do the sound check by yourself also. That is fine as well. I just don't want to delay you all, right? It's a weekday. Okay, so the tool that the platform that we will be using for Sing and Plays Carnatic would be a Zoom, and it will be the webinar format, just like I just said. And only the contestants, the judges, and the Aramsay hosts, as well as the MCs, will all join this Zoom webinar, which means that we will be emailing you the Zoom link. Just like how you've been getting all the other emails, you'll be getting an email from sip-carnatic@aramsay.org. And this Zoom link is not to be shared with family and friends, only because we don't want anyone other than these 4 kinds of people, that is contestants, judges, the hosts, as well as the MCs, to join on this call. But having said that, all your family and friends world over can actually watch the event on both Aramsay's website as well as Facebook page. So it'll be live telecast on both our Facebook page as well as our website. So feel free to share those links which have already been emailed to you. Probably, maybe the Facebook page is not there in yesterday's email, but I will definitely be sending out more reminders, so you can share that. We also have a poster. If you are following our Facebook page, the poster is up there. There is an event page also that's been created, so you can even share that. Yeah, there are a bunch of ways where your family and friends can watch you live. So you will join the Zoom meeting as an attendee, exactly like how you have joined today. And just like a two-line summary of this whole thing is that you will be just waiting there as an attendee. And how we are envisioning this is we emailed you the schedule last night, right? Your time slot is also separately set. Along with that, the entire schedule is also sent. So just be sure to log in maybe 5 or 10 minutes before your slot starts. Right, slot is not the exact performing slot, because we're not actually going to release when exactly you will be performing, because it's the longest segment runs only for about 90 minutes. Otherwise, everything is like 35 or 45 minutes or 60 minutes. Yeah, so it'll be just good for you to just hang around for the entire duration of that segment, right? So just be sure to join about 5 to 10 minutes before your segment starts. And how we did this even last time for Sing in Place Light Music is that we kind of announced the orders up to 3 participants. So the MCs will actually announce that, okay, first in line today will be, let's say, Meera Ramanathan, right? And then after that, it's going to be Trishika Rajesh, followed by Vanita Venkatesh. So they will kind of give you 3 contestants. And then what you will have to do is, if you are number 1 in that order, so immediately raise your hand so that one of the Zoom tech team folks will actually be able to spot you easily and then promote you to a panelist. And then what happens to the other 2 that were already announced? So as soon as the first person, like in my order right now, I think I said Meera Ramanathan. So as soon as Meera Ramanathan is done, so be sure that the second person, which was Trishika Rajesh, raise her hand so that she can be promoted to a panelist without any delay, right? So that's how we kind of want to do this in a sequential manner. And we don't want to have 2 contestants as panelists, because for whatever reason, if the other contestant who's not actually performing at that time accidentally unmutes themselves, or something happens, so it's going to spoil the performance of the other performer, right? So that's why we don't want to have any more than the judges, the MCs, the hosts, and that one performer whose slot it is, who's been sort of called out to perform, right? So that's how you will join. And then once your entire duration is done, and then you also get some feedback from the judges, then you will be automatically removed from being a panelist, and you'll be back to joining as an attendee. So another sort of important point to remember is, do not send messages to all the panelists, because they will be live judging, and we don't want any of them also to be interrupted. But if you're facing an issue, or you really have to, I mean, it's something really important, right? You can just use your discretion. So if you really need to communicate something, then definitely do reach out to us. You can also, the email will also be live. So we'll have some volunteers continuously monitoring SIP Carnatic at RMSA as well. And yeah, it is something that you have to communicate. Then you feel free to use the chat, but do not use it for sending any other messages. Okay, so what to expect on the day of the performance. So again, join the meeting by specifying the participant first and last names. So I think this is something which is very important, because most often, and I think it happens to me a lot as well. So the display name is most often maybe not mine. It could be somebody in the families, right? Or it could just be your nickname. It could be anything. So it's very hard to find out who the participant is unless the screen name actually matches your registration. And I'm sure your registration details are your exact first and last names. So make sure that your display name is your full first and last name when you join the call as well. So it says arrive at least 30 minutes ahead of your turn. So this was the rule last time. So I'm going, because they gave them shorter time slots, I'm going to change this out before I send this. So we said arrive 10 minutes before your time slot. So I think that should be more than enough for this time. the time slots for the segments. So there are about 8 segments which will be airing over 2 days, that is Saturday and Sunday. And the time slots for these have been posted on our website and also have been emailed to everyone last night. Your name will be called out 2 turns before your turn, which is what I said, like 3 contestants is what we'll use. We'll use the 3 contestant rule every single time. So make sure to raise your hand or to let the host or the MC know that you're ready to perform. So that's about it when you actually join the call. And yeah, I think there's just more details on this, but I think most of it is already covered, but maybe let me just reiterate one more time. So we do have a video demo of this at the end of this presentation as well. So it might be very clear once you look at that. And you'll also do this as a dry run today, right? So you'll kind of know how the screen changes, or sometimes it looks like maybe you're getting disconnected or something, but that's just how Zoom changes you from attendee mode to the panelist mode. The host or MC will remind you to turn on the video, your video and your mic if you haven't done so. And once everyone confirms or either like maybe the MCs just confirm that they can hear you well and also see you fine, then they'll tell you to start and you can just get started right away. So one thing to remember is some of the time slots have been reduced a lot only because we wanted to encourage more of the deserving contestants, more of the deserving students, kids to join and be able to perform live on during the finals round, right? So because of that, the time slots had to be reduced. But what I did notice is it sort of matches the shortest time slot sort of matches what we did have last year as well. So I know a lot of you are concerned that the time slot, the duration is very, very small, but believe me, last year they went with the same for almost all this, almost the entire show. And it was still very beautiful. I mean, everybody still got a sense of how beautifully the singers are singing and they're able to perform. So don't worry about that. But I would request you to keep the introduction as short as possible because you don't want to eat up into your time limit, right? And that will also keep the show moving just exactly according to our schedule. So do not mention the name of your guru or your music school for obvious reasons, because you don't want to have any kind of bias or anything. Like you don't want the judges to be biased, right? So let's not just mention that at all. Yeah, you will just mention your name. And if you would like, keep a very short introduction, like you can say, okay, my name is Trishika Rajesh, and then I'm going to be performing a Geetam today. You know, you could just do that. If you would like to add the composer and Ragam, if you can say it really, really fast, then do it. But if you cannot, then I would say just skip it. We will also let the judges know that this is what we have told everyone in the interest of time. Okay. So, but definitely do introduce yourself with your name before starting, and do not mention the name of your guru or music school. And then, yeah, fifth point is very important. Sing in place, be happy while you do so. And how do we keep track of time? So Pavan, who's our, who will be Pavan, and there's also, there's actually a team for Zoom, but today Pavan is doing the sound check. So he will be sort of, they'll probably have some kind of a display, which we haven't tested out yet. So we're not showing it in today's meeting, but there'll be a display, sort of a timer, which is kind of running on the screen. So that will probably be the best way to keep track of time. So we will test that out and send an email on, you know, how we plan to do that. But for now, just remember that your time slot starts when you when we say, okay, go for it, right? Your time slot will start. And then towards when you are at like, let's say it's a 3-minute segment and you are at around 2 minutes and 45 seconds in, then for the last 15 seconds, we will give you some kind of an alert, some kind of a ringing sound, a mild ringing sound, but you will know for sure that your time is about to run out. Don't panic in case you haven't finished within, I mean, you thought you would finish, but then you didn't finish, and then your, you know, your time slot is up, and the judges or the MCs are saying that, you know, I think, thank you so much. That was a good performance. So you take your cue and you can kind of stop. Don't like stop mid mid-phrase, for example, just finish that particular avartanam that you were singing, just finish that and then stop. Okay. There will be no negative points because you didn't plan your time and you didn't finish a song. There won't be negative points only because we actually made the time slots quite short. So try to plan for the shorter time slots, but in case you are, it starts running over a little bit, that's okay. If you get stopped, don't get discouraged, right? It's only in the interest of time. So that is something very important to keep in mind. Yeah. So right after that is done, one of the judges will want to provide you a brief feedback, and right after that is done, and we say thank you to you, then we'll change the Zoom team will change your status back to an attendee, and we will then call upon the next contestant. Okay. So that's a quick run through of what exactly and how exactly things will progress on the day of the performance. Technical issues, drop us a note ASAP to sipcarnatic@rmsa.org. If you have any connectivity issues, then we will reach out to you to reschedule at the end of the pre-allotted slots. So remember that you will not be able to perform after the entire segment is done, because we plan to finish one segment, right? Let's say it starts with, I don't remember which segment it starts with. I think it starts with one of the kritis. So at the end of that segment, most probably, we will be announcing the winners as well. So that means that segment is done. So if you are unable to sing or perform during that time slot, that means you will not be able to perform again later, because that segment would have concluded. If you see any issues with that, or if you have any concerns with that, do reach out to us, and we'll see how best to resolve that. So I think they had this also listed here the last time they did this. So they said that if there is an issue at our end, we will switch to Google Meet. So I think that will be our plan B. But I don't see this happening, only because this was listed here because the last year when they did this, it was a completely new platform and format for us. Okay, now let's just quickly move on to the preview. Okay, so let me play this again. So there are about 4 steps here: join call, then wait for your turn, and then it's your turn, and then it moves on to the end, right? And let's see what is here. So how do you join the call? So I think everyone is probably familiar with this. So just enter the meeting ID in the Zoom app, and then also join in with your first name and last name. And then the meeting password would have accompanied the link. So go ahead and do that. And then once you join the call, exactly like how you are right now, you're all attendees. So this is how the interface looks, right? So it kind of looks like this. There's no option to mute or mute, unmute, or turn on video and so on. So this is how it looks. So this is still in the attendee view. And yeah, so while you are waiting for your turn, it will be a good idea to check your mic and speaker settings to make sure that everything is fine at your end. Okay, use chat if you have a question. Only if it is a very critical question and you must ask it, then yeah, go ahead and ask. It's your turn, so transition to be on the panel. So your name has been called out, and then we say, the MC says, okay, can we have Vanitha next, right? So at that point, the Zoom host will promote you to a panelist, and this is how the screen is going to look at that point. It almost feels like you had a connectivity issue, but it isn't. It's just rejoining you as a panelist from an attendee. So that is the transition screen, in case you haven't seen it earlier. And then the interface starts looking like this. Once you are a panelist, you start seeing the number of participants, and then you start seeing your unmute and unmute. You have to unmute at that point, unmute your microphone, and also turn on your video. and then you are good to go. Yeah, so once you're done, you finish singing, and then you also got your feedback, and that is done. And then after that, we again transition you back into an attendee. So these would be the sort of 4 steps that we will follow for all the performances that day. Okay, so that is that. So what else was there? Let's see. Not able to see, get my back. Okay, so now, yeah. So again, just a few sort of rules of thumb to keep in your mind would be the screen name should match the first and last name of the registration, right? Do not share the name of your guru or music school while introducing yourself. Test Zoom audio beforehand to prevent issues on the day of the performance. Be on time to avoid delays in performance or any sorts of disqualification. It's not really disqualification. It's more like because the segment would have ended if you are super late, right? So yeah, so please keep all these rules in mind, and definitely be sure to have fun, because that is sort of our, that ties in with our general Aram Says motto, right? You compete for a cause, or you're volunteering for a cause, you're doing whatever you're doing, be sure to have fun. So that kind of concludes today's like presentation part of today's segment. So at this point, I think we can switch to doing sound check for the contestants. I see about 19 participants on the call. So I'm going to stop sharing so that Pawan, do you want to sort of take over, and we can do sound check very quickly. Maybe we can spend about 30 seconds to 1 minute with everyone, like each person, right?
Okay. So there was one request from a contestant who is on Central Time. I think I'll make that person panelist, and we'll start with them. Okay.
Sure. Sounds good.
Unless already left. Yeah.
Okay, maybe they'll rejoin. So.
No, that contestant had a class at 7:30. So okay, so
I see.
Let's go in order in which the attendees are there right now. It's alphabetical. Okay. So we'll start with Akshara or Shreya. One of the two is the participant. Let me make them the panelists.
Sure.
And Anushka will be next. Anushka Bhargavi Vana.
Hi.
Hi.
So are you Akshara or Shreya?
I'm Akshara.
Akshara. Hi, Akshara. So I can see you very well. Maybe on the day of the contest, I'm assuming you will be sitting down and you'll be singing, right?
Yes.
So kind of, yeah, that would be a better view, so that the judges can kind of see you fully, and they can also observe your thalam, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So that is good. Maybe just a tad bit more farther away from the camera so that we can see your head also properly. Yeah, that's good. Yeah. And if you like to, I could hear you very clearly, but if you want to just try singing one line along with your Shruti box, go for it.
Okay. Sa pa sa pa sa himagiri tanaye he manate.
Very nice. I think we could hear you just fine. Pawan, any comments on the sound check, or I think camera-wise, I think she's all set.
Yes, all set. We'll
So
see you.
Shruti can be heard as well, right?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Shruti was heard as well.
Okay. Thank you so much.
All right.
Awesome. Good luck.
Thank you. Thank you.
Next is Anushka. Anushka, you need to turn on your camera and your mic.
Hi, Anushka.
Hi.
Hi. Yeah, you want to just try moving your device, moving a little away from your device so that we can see you full. Yeah, that's good. That's perfect. And then you want to do the same thing. You want to, if you're going to sing along with the Shruti box, then go ahead, turn it on and try singing one line and we'll tell you how your sound was.
Okay. Hari Hara Venuta Amara Pujiture.
Maybe it could be a tad bit louder. So, I mean, I could hear you clearly, but maybe it just needs to be a little bit louder. So you might want to check that. Otherwise, everything is clear and there is no, I mean, it's not, there's no disturbance, but it just feels like you could sound a little bit more like louder.
Okay.
Yeah, you might want to test it with whatever device you will be joining. So yeah, you can do that part even offline. Yeah, but otherwise, this is how you'll join in and perform on the day of your contest.
Okay.
Good luck. Okay, Bhargav, Nemani, I think you're next. So go ahead and turn on your camera and mic. Hi, Bhargav.
Hi. Okay. Should I just sing any line or?
Sure. Yeah. Go ahead.
Ra re hi magi re kuma re kanjika amakshi.
It was perfect. We could hear the Shruti box at you very clearly, and you didn't have any questions on how you sort of joined as an attendee and you got promoted to a panelist, I hope.
No questions.
Okay, awesome.
One thing. Can
Yeah.
you move the camera a little further back, like the other two?
Yeah, I think everyone. Yeah, I'll also send out a
No,
reminder.
you don't
about
come
that.
forwards. Okay, yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, kind of make sure you can see yourself, or make sure that, or ask your parents or somebody in the household to check that you can sort of see you all the way up to your talam at least, right? So yeah. So you want to make sure that that's how your view is.
Okay.
Okay. Good luck, Bhargav.
Thank you very much.
You. Okay. So Bhuvana Sundar is next. Hi, Bhuvana. Sorry, Bhuvana Sundaram.
That's actually my mom's name. I'm actually registered on my mom's account, but actually when come for the finals, I can change my name if that's fine.
Yes, please. Yeah, sure. That's okay. For today, it's okay. It's just an informal meeting, but these would be things to remember. Yeah, if you're accidentally signed in with your mom's name, then we wouldn't be able to find you at all. Right?
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, go ahead. Go for it.
Sorry. Gajavadana Gananata Gajavadana Vinayaka.
That was good, but there is some kind of a light which is right next to your face. So that might be, yeah. So when you're actually sitting for the contest, when you join for the contest, make sure that you are covering that light, right? The moment you start covering it, it's better. But otherwise, I think sound-wise, you sound just fine.
Sure, I'll do that.
Okay. Good luck, Bhuvana.
Okay. Next on the list is Lalita, but promoted her to panelist, but not seeing her join. So let's move on.
Okay.
Let's move to Actually, she has joined in 2 places. Let's try the other one.
Yeah, why don't you try the other one? Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Hi, Lalita. Why don't you turn on your camera? Oh.
Oh, this is not Lalita.
Yeah, I'm on my mom's account.
Okay. Yeah. So for the contest, make sure you change it. What's your name?
My name's Agastya.
Agastya. Yeah. So Agastya, yeah. On the day of the contest, make sure you change that. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Go for it.
Okay. No kori yunara.
Sounds great.
Thank
I
you.
don't see any audio issues. Perfect. And your camera was fine as well. Okay.
Thank you.
Happy practicing. Good luck. Okay. And so who do we have next? From Pramiti, right?
Pramiti, yes.
Yeah. Okay. So Pramiti, why don't you turn on your camera and your mic? Hi, Pramiti.
Hi.
Maybe a little further away from the camera so that we can see your column as well. That's better. So I can hear your Shruti box and your voice, but it is a tad bit feeble. So
Voice or Shruti box?
voice.
Okay.
Shruti box need not be very pronounced, right? And we can hear that. So that should be okay. But I felt like your voice was a little on the feebler side. So I think you might want to test it out offline to see, what is giving you the best sound. Yeah. Otherwise, I don't see connectivity issues or, it's not like lagging or anything. It seems perfect. But yeah, just make sure that the mic, if the mic on the device is not great, then you might want to connect it to an external mic. Okay, Pramiti?
Okay, thank you.
All right, take care. Good luck. All right, so we have Raj. I think contestant's name would be Vikram here.
Yeah, that's correct. I was
Yeah.
trying to, it looks like until we become the participant, we can't change the name after we've joined.
Oh, I see. So that is something to keep in mind. So then I think if that happens, you'll have to leave the call and come back. The correct name, I guess.
Yeah, once we've joined, we cannot change it. Even now I was checking because the moment the participant showed up, I was trying to see if I can fix that, but that did not work. I had a question before we started because my daughter learns piano over Zoom from a teacher, and she insists, like at least for the musical instruments, right? Like that turn on, there is this Zoom feature called turn on original sound.
Yes.
As well as turn off automatic microphone. Like there is some settings. Are you, is that important for this or no? Like I just wanted to bring just in case.
That is a good point, and I think that sort of makes sense to do it at the contestant's end, because it does make a difference. But let me jot that down, and
I can send you the link to that YouTube video, which has very clear instruction on how to do that. You can take a look. I think for musical instruments, definitely probably is important because they are trying to make out the notes.
Yeah, what ends up happening is if that is not on, sometimes the instrument, one of the voices, right? I mean, either the sound of the instrument or the child's sound is completely blurred out. I mean, they kind of cancel that.
Yeah, some frequencies, I think the instrument frequencies are not carried because of the digitization, I think.
Yes, that's correct. So I think that is a very good point, and I will also check with the team from last year. But maybe I think some of these features got rolled out over the course of 2020 and 2021.
I think so. Yeah.
So I think that's a great point. And if you could send us the video, what we'll do is we'll also sort of play around with it here.
Okay.
And we'll try to come up with the best settings, and also do send out a note on what is the recommended settings from that you follow for the instrument itself, and then
Okay.
we'll see whether that works for the voice plus Shruti box.
Yeah. The other thing is when I join, so right now the settings, I already have it like that. Like on the top left, it shows original sound on.
Right.
But when I joined as a webinar, that option was not there. So bunch of things to keep in mind. Like I think if you're gonna use that, like you may want to just do a dry run and see what is possible
Yes.
and what is not possible. Yeah.
Yes, I think that's a fair point and very good point, actually. So yeah, will you just send me a text, Raj, and
I will.
we'll go from there.
I will give you the details, Bonita.
Okay, awesome. Thanks a lot.
Okay, Vikram.
Hi, Vikram.
Hi.
You want to go for it? Hi.
Do I just sing the line or?
Yeah, he was in
Yeah,
another.
one line.
He was in his violin class, so he hasn't been listening at all. Just now, I brought the laptop into.
Sure.
Just sing one line. That's it.
Yeah, one line. Yeah, just to see how you sound. Yeah.
That's okay. Sorry.
Yeah. Again, let's just listen to it one more time. Good. We can hear you very nicely. No problem at all. Shruti box is also audible.
Okay.
Okay. Awesome. Thank you.
Okay. So, do you want us to be on the call or we can drop off?
You can drop off.
Okay. I'll send you after I drop off. I'll send you the information.
Yeah. Perfect. Thanks a lot, Raj.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Bye, Vikram.
Bye.
Next, we have Rupa Rajagopalan. Hi, Rupa.
Hi.
Go for it.
Raju vedale juta murare kasturi ranga Raju vedale.
Perfect. Sounded nice, loud and clear. I guess you're all set. Any questions? Okay, cool. Good luck.
Thank you.
Sahana Kumar.
Hi.
Hi, Sahana.
Giriraja Suta Tanaya Sadaya Giriraja Suta Tanaya Sadaya Giriraja Suta Tanaya.
This is perfect. So you have a mic that is it connected to the laptop?
Yes.
I see. It's very good. Awesome.
Thank you.
Good luck.
The questions from the judges. It said on the web page that there might be questions.
Yeah. So there won't be too many questions because of in the interest of time, right? So we'll keep it short, but it might be just yeah. I think especially for like the Kriti segments. Yeah, it depends on whatever inspired by your singing, they might want to ask you a question or two. So yeah, don't worry about it. Just I think it should be mostly on things that you would know by now.
Okay.
Yeah, just be prepared.
Okay, and it's okay if it's less than 5 minutes, right?
Absolutely.
Cool.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Good luck.
Thanks.
Okay, Shreyas Sumant.
Hi.
Hi, Shreyas. You want to sing? Yeah, go ahead.
Nagumomu galavani namano aruni jagamelu suruni janaki varuni.
Good. Able to hear you very nicely, and I think we can see you also fully. So I don't think there's any issues. You look just fine. Okay. Good luck, Shreyas. Okay, Sri Lakshmi Raghuram. So Sri Lakshmi, can you turn on your camera as well?
There's something covering the camera.
I see.
Not really. Hang on one second.
Is it working? Let me see.
Can you hear us?
Yes.
Yes.
Interesting.
Is there anything noise or like this?
No, I'm just trying to see what's going on here. Doesn't show Zoom here. Oh, one second. I got it. Okay, looks like I'll have to quit and rejoin back. It's good we're doing this testing. Looks like I need to change the system preferences to let Zoom access my camera. So I'll have to quit and rejoin.
I see. I see. Yeah. So yeah,
Okay.
we'll hang around, right? So you
Yeah,
can.
I'll join right back. Yeah.
Sure. Sounds good. So next is who? Shreya?
Shreya, yes.
Yeah, Shreya.
Hi, can you hear me?
Yes.
Hi, Shreya. You want to move the camera just a little bit away or move back but yeah, that should be okay. Yeah. Thank you. So you sound very good. I can hear the Shruti box, but it is a little on the feebler side. The sound itself is a little on the feebler side.
Shruti box or her voice?
Her voice.
Okay.
Does this help now?
Yes.
Shruti box is now
Well,
louder.
her voice also got louder.
Okay, let's try. One more time. Beautiful.
Thank you.
Very good. Yeah, that helped. What did you do?
I just unchecked the automatically adjust microphone volume and I put the input volume to the highest.
I see. I see. Yeah, that's a good one. Yeah. Good luck.
Thank you. I have a question. Is
Yeah.
the Zoom link for the day of the finals performance, the same as this one, or is it different?
No, we will be emailing it to you. So
Okay.
Pawan will be setting it up for Saturday and Sunday. And as soon as that's done, you'll be hearing from us. So Pawan, do we plan to send that out tomorrow?
Yes, we will send it out.
Okay. So we will send it out to you tomorrow.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Good luck. Sri Lakshmi is back.
Yeah. Hi.
Hi.
Okay, I'm just gonna sing a minute. Vallabha nayakasya Vallabha nayakasya Vallabha nayakasya. Okay, yeah.
Perfect. It sounds very good. Very clear.
Okay, good.
Pawan, did you think the Shruti box volume needs to go up a little bit?
No, it sounded fine.
It sounded fine,
I
right?
could
Okay.
hear it. Yeah.
As long as they know where the Shruti is, I think it's fine. And yeah, so that's why that can be on the softer side, which is perfectly fine.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Thanks for rejoining. Good luck.
Bye.
Bye. All right, Trishika is here. Hi, Trishika.
Hi.
How are you? Are you ready? All set? Yeah, your camera and the way you have set it up looks fine. Let's now try with the Shruti box on. You can try hearing 1 or 2 lines. So it is, we can hear it, but again, a little bit on the feebler side.
Just check if that auto volume is off.
Yeah,
Like the
or
previous-
whatever
Yeah.
Shreya did, right? She
Whatever
kind
Shreya
of
did.
turned up the volume on the microphone.
She turned off one setting.
You should take it out. Auto adjustment.
Yeah, does it give you an option to increase the volume, Rajesh?
Yes, I'm trying that. One second.
Okay.
Tishka,
Because they're also a little away from the mic, right? So that's why, yeah.
check now.
Now try.
Okay.
Good job.
Okay.
Sounds perfect now. So remember these settings, maybe take a screenshot and then make sure that it is set up exactly like that.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
All right. Good
Can we have
luck.
the metronome, Bonita?
So the metronome question will be going back to the judges. So I will,
Please, can you answer that?
yes.
Thank
So I
you.
will address that soon. Okay.
Okay. Bye. Nice to see you all.
Same here. Yeah. Bye. Nice to see you
Bye.
guys.
Thank you.
And we have Vibha Krishna. Hi, Vibha.
Hi.
Okay. Camera is looking fine. The view is looking fine, rather. So we can hear you fine, but I don't hear any Shruti box. Okay, sing one more time along with the Shruti box. That was much better. Yeah. Otherwise, we can still hear you. Just that maybe you might want to remember the setting, like whatever volume you set for the Shruti box, make sure you keep it at that. Okay.
Thank
All
you.
right. Good luck. Bye. Yamini, right? Can we have Yamini Pavan? Yamini, can you turn on your camera? Hi, Yamini.
Hi.
All right, go for it. We can see you nicely.
Meenakshi Jaya Kamakshi.
So I didn't hear any Shruti box.
Meenakshi Jaya Kamakshi.
So not so clear for you, Yamini. Is your mom around?
Oh yes. Well, I mean, is the Shruti box not clear or
Even her voice is not maintained at a constant level, if you know what I mean, right? So it seems to be loud in some portions, and in some portions it seems to fade out. And Shruti box also similar pattern repeats.
Okay. So now what do I do in this?
So what you might want to do is you might want to test it out. You can do that from like 2 devices in the house, right? Just make sure you test it out, and you're always able to hear her clearly, and like the like the volume level is maintained fairly constant.
Okay.
And if that is, I mean, you have to try switching devices, and if that is not working, you might need a mic. She might need a mic.
Okay. Okay.
Connect the phone mic to the laptop.
Okay. Okay. I don't know personally. I don't know how to do that. Her dad knows, but he is not available right now. Maybe I can check it with 2 devices, like, before
Yes.
the performance.
Yeah, see, right now, whatever you are speaking is very clear. But when she's
That's
singing,
because
it
I'm
seems
more-
to go in and out.
That's because I'm more closer to the laptop than she is.
I see. So then she might need a mic. Then all you would need is you might need a mic, I think.
Okay. Okay. Then I,
Let's try once more.
yeah.
Yeah,
Kamini,
with
let's-
this setting,
Yeah.
right? Yeah.
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 Oh, just a minute. Just a minute.
Meenakshi Jayaka.
No.
No,
No.
it still goes in and out.
It did
So
not.
that, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll fit a mic, or I'll probably test with another device as well.
Yes, please. Yeah. Yeah.
I can do that. Bharnita, there was one more question that I wanted to ask you, that, I had wrongly registered on the.
Yes, yes. I already changed her at our end. I've changed her, but I just have to send you that email. I've just been very busy.
Yeah, no worries.
So I
No
haven't
worries. I
gotten
just
around to
wanted
sending. But she's changed. Yeah, she's moved into the Geetam time slot, and you already have the full schedule also. So she will
Yes.
be logging in for the 6
Yeah,
to
so
9
I said-
Bhajans Geetam Swarajati.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
So I will be sending out the email tonight. I have it on my to-do list.
Okay. Awesome. Thank you.
Okay. All
Yeah.
right.
Thank you.
Good luck. Bye.
Bye.
So I think that concludes everyone, right, Pavan?
Yeah, that's everyone.
Not leave. Not leave.
Okay, so thank you everyone for joining in for the sound check today, and also I hope everyone has a good idea about how to join in as an attendee and then be promoted to panelist for your performance slot. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to shoot out an email to sip-karnataka@rmsa.org, and there'll be one of us who will definitely quickly respond back to you. Okay. All right. So see you all on Saturday or Sunday, whenever your time slots are.
There's nobody left.